still spending hours in After Effects just to create one motion graphic? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can turn your video ideas into stunning animation just by typing a prompt? Today I am showing you FrameNet.ai, a powerful AI that creates motion graphics in seconds. No complex keyframes, no design skills needed, just your imagination and a simple prompt. So let's check it out. So I have this website open bar. You can just select the resolution you want. I am selecting YouTube size and I will select the duration to 5 seconds for now. And if you want, you can provide it reference images and reference videos if you want to create a certain animation. Now I will type in a prompt and just I want to create a circle and it morphs into a rectangle and the Osman AI text will be shown. So I will just click here. Once it starts, it will not take up many minutes of your time, just few seconds or few minutes. As you can see, our animation is created and it will be just at start it is a circle, then it morphs into a rectangle and then the name is shown. Now once this is done, I will choose 9:6 and 10 this seconds and I will give it another prompt to try like this. I want 4 countries, each have different color and there is a flag above there. So I will just select this. So as you can see, our graphs are created. Now if you want, you can also make a few changes. Like I will give it a prompt, change the Germany flag with the Pakistan and the France to India. So it will again make changes. As you can see, it has changed the Pakistan flag and the Indian flag. Now if you want, you can just click here to go to the previous version of this, and once you are satisfied, just click render and then simply just export the video. So that's all for today. Hope you found this tool. Make sure to check it out. I will provide the link in the description and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.